morning, everyone! Good morning, kapamilya! It's Anna here. Welcome to my channel. Happy Sunday to each one of you. So today is Sunday, December 15, and I need to open my Advent calendar number 13. Yay! We are going to church today, but before we leave, join me in opening my Advent calendar. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Here is the number 13. Let's open it. I'm excited what's inside of this. It's really hard to open this box. Highlighter! Wow! Highlighter, look! Highlighter! Yay! I've got a highlighter today. Look! Very nice. I'm so happy. So, that's it for today, kapamilya. Thank you for joining me in opening my Advent calendar number 13. I will see you tomorrow and hope you will have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Enjoy your day with your family and we'll see you again tomorrow. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell and like so that you will be notified every time I had a video. So I'll see you on my next, and please comment down below if you enjoyed this video. I love you all. Bye! Say bye, Ruthie.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Happy Sunday!